This is a demonstration of the park assist in the Ford Ranger Raptor. So what you need to do is firstly find a parking space that you want to park in. Press this P button here, so this activates it. Okay, then I choose the side that I want to park on, so I put my right indicator on, drive forward so that the truck can scan the parking spaces. Once it's found a parking space, it will let me know. Okay, it's found a parking space. It says please stop. Put it into neutral. Take everything, your feet, your hands off the steering wheel and press the park button. Hold that down and it will automatically park the vehicle for you. As you can see on the 360-degree camera, it is reversing into the space. We have a Nissan Navara in front of us and an MG behind us. So they're pretty big vehicles and the space is quite tight, as you can see. And there we have, it's finished and it automatically goes into park.